Now the rate of evaporation is higher in the coastal regions. Okay, so therefore the humid climate is found in that coastal region. The equatorial region on the earth receives perpendicular sun rays. Therefore, the temperature of air in the equatorial region is found to be high. Why the temperature is being found high? You can give this, okay? Due to the high temperature, because of the high temperature, the rate of evaporation is more in the equatorial region. Therefore, the humid climate is there found, and that is why the humid climate is found in that equatorial region. Okay, children. So this we have. Next chapter name is structure of ocean floor. New chapter. Okay. Now we'll see in this what all things are there in the ocean floor. Ocean floor in the sense which is there inside the ocean. So what we are seeing here, ocean floor. Ocean floor. We are having the floor, Earth floor. Okay. Now we will see. अर्थ के बारे में तो पता चला, राइट. कॉन्टिनेंट्स के बारे में भी पता चला, लैंड के बारे में पता चला, ऊपर एटमॉस्फेयर के बारे में पता चला. अभी स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे ओशन फ्लोर. फर्स्ट वन इज ओशन रिलीफ, सॉरी ओशन relief, right? The relief of submerged land is called the ocean relief. Submerged land. Here the land is submerged, that is called as ocean relief. Okay, now we'll see the depth from the sea floor and the shape of the land are the parameters of for classifying the various submerged form of ocean relief. We are having many ocean reliefs. Near the continents, we are having many continents near the oceans, right? We can find this depth of the ocean, the depth from the sea floor, from the continental shelf. You can see in the picture from the continental shelf. जैसे ही ocean start होता है, the shape of the land and the parameters for the classifying the various submerged form of ocean relief. जहाँ लैंड धीरे धीरे खत्म होना स्टार्ट होता है, ओशन रिलीफ स्टार्ट हो जाता है, बिकॉज द अर्थ इज टोटली सराउंडेड विद द ओशंस. द कॉन्टिनेंट्स आर surrounded with the oceans. Okay, so one by one we will see what all things are relying on this ocean floor. Now submerged landform. Here we have seen submerged landform was there, land submerged form of ocean relief. Right? In that ocean relief, what all submerged things? Submerged means which are inside. Submerged है, okay? मिले हुए हैं, okay? Continental shelf. First one is continental shelf. The land near the sea coast and submerged under the sea. जो sea के अंदर submerged होते जा रहा है, but it is having the sea coast also, is called the continental shelf. You can see in the picture. The depth of this continental shelf is about 200 meters and below the sea level. As we go below the sea level, as we go down towards the sea level, 200 meters below if we'll go, we will see, we will say the surface of the land and the sea coast. Both are related to the continental shelf. Now, continental shelf is useful for fishing, Here itself, children, we can do the fishing. We can obtaining various minerals, natural gas, mineral oil, and etc. These things we can get in this continental shelf. Okay. Next is continental slope. The steep slope of the seabed or the ocean bed. The steep, all of you all know, steep slope of the, like I can give you one good example is slide. Okay. Slide, say when we comes down, children are using that slide, no? So slide, say when we comes the steep slope, we call as steep slope. Okay. And of the seabed beyond the extent, the continental shelf is called the continental slope. Means along with the continental shelf, that's including that slope, is also called as continental slope. Clear? The depth of this continental slope is from 200 meters. Why? Because continental shelf was from 200 meters. It stopped there. After that 200 meters to 3,600 meters below the sea level. This comes under the continental slope. The lower boundary of this continental slope is considered as the boundary of the continent. What it is called as the boundary of the continent. Lower boundary of the continental slope is considered as the boundary of the continent. Means our continent gets stopped there. हमारे इतने सारे कॉन्टिनेंट्स हैं वो यहीं जाके स्टॉप होते हैं. उसके बाद ओशन फ्लोर स्टार्ट होता है, ओशन स्टार्ट होते हैं एग्जैक्ट. ओके, so continental shelf and continental slope is there, and this is about all continents. Okay, after all continents we are surrounded with the oceans. So till here this is the boundary for the continents. After that we'll see later on what all things are there after that. Slowly. Next is abyssal plains. Y is silent here. Next is abyssal plains. In the diagram you can see the flat part of the seabed that lies beyond the continental slope is called the abyssal plains. These plains will be submerged hill. They will be having a small hills inside the ocean floor. Submerged mountains will be there. Submarine plateaus, etc. are seen on these abyssal plains. In this abyssal plains, it's under the ocean or under the sea. You will find a small kind of a structure, and this you can see a small mountains. You will see the hills. You will see a flat surface. That flat surface will call as an abyssal plains. In the picture you can see this. So this comes in abyssal plains. What is abyssal plains? To remember abyssal plains, you will use beyond the flat part of the seabed that lies beyond the continental slope is called abyssal plains. Next is submerged mountains. Now submerged mountains, what are there? The hundreds of kilometers wide and thousands of kilometers long hills found on the ocean bed. Now it is under the ocean itself. Submerged mountains and hills. This is called the submerged mountains, or the name submerged mountains and hills is called. The hundreds of kilometers. After hundreds of kilometers, when you will be there on the bed, you will see the thousand of kilometers long hills you will see on the ocean bed itself. That will be called as the submerged mountains and hills. Okay, I'll have finished with the I've finished with the half of the